Oh, there we go. Well, that's a different way the cone is. Did you add like something over top of it?
All the cones are reinforced.
Okay. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. All right.
I got my eyes amp to go hooked up right now. So
okay. So you just got your bass hooked?
My bass right now.
Is this 1 ohm or half ohm?
That's a 1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay. What is this wired to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm, okay. And
this is my 4th build, so.
4th build. Did you build into it? Okay.
Yeah, put the wall in.
Nice and sealed off.
Sealed. A little windy in there.
Is it a wall or 4th wall? Okay.
It's a wall.
All right.
It's a little windy in there.
What subs?
ZXFs.
ZXFs. Is there where I can see a little bit better? Oh, there we go. Well, that's a different way the cone is. Did you add like something over top of it?
All the cones are reinforced.
Okay. All right. Is that your peak around 37 with the windows down?
He said his peak is, he's tuned to 36 right now.
Tuned to 36? Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. How much space is in this enclosure? Do you know?
6.5 cubic feet.
6.5? Okay. Nice. Tuned to 36. Okay. Y'all did a good job. Nice and sealed off.
Yeah.
Too?
It's a little windy in there, huh?
Yeah. Have you metered it yet? Just for curiosity? 52? Okay. Awesome. And what team are y'all on?
Twisted. Team Twisted.
Team Twisted. All right. In Florida?
Yep.
Yeah.
Out Pasco.
Yes, sir. You have a high output alternator.
Huh?
You have a high output alternator?
Yeah, I got 300 in there.
300? Okay. Can I see it real quick? If that's all right? I try to see everything. How many batteries are in the back? Is it
2 in the back.
2? Okay. Is it lithium or AGM?
No, they're big AGMs.
Big AGMs, okay. Awesome. All right. Good.
Yeah, they're big AGMs in the back.
What was your name?
Lee.
Lee. Thank you, Lee. Nice to meet you. Yes, sir. Team Twisted. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. He showcased this system at the Made of Steel show in 2021, Tampa, Florida area. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Give him some positive feedback on what you like about his system. I like the way he has his box layout where the subs are at the bottom, port at top. I'll talk a little bit about that. I went ahead and put the previous video link in the description. This was the thumbnail of that system when he had a no-wall system. So he previously had this system. I recommend you watching that video after you get to the demo of this one so you can kind of see how he progressed in his system. So I didn't find out if this was at 1 ohm or half ohm, but most likely this 8,000 watt amp is at 1 ohm mark. And I like the way he sealed off the foam around the box. You can kind of see that he laid out a little baffle around the box. So you build the wall and then you put it in there and then you put all of the foam around the box after you put wooden platforms in. That's one way to do it. Might not be the solid, most efficient way, but it got the job done and it sealed it off so it's more loud when you seal off your wall. And having a top port with the subwoofers underneath, the subs don't hit the seat being as low as they were, and you don't have any kind of seat interference or head blocking that port, and it put all the pressure downwards, so probably his kick score would be a lot louder. If anybody didn't know, your loudest SPO score is usually opposite of where your port location is, so top port, kick panel is the loudest. Anyway, we're going to go get to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo. Thanks for watching.
Out the window down. Don't hold back.
is that your peak around 37 with the windows down?
Man. He said his peak, he's tuned to 36 right now.
Tuned to 36? Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. How much space is in this enclosure? Do you know?
6.5 cubic feet.
6.5? Okay. Nice. Tuned to 36. Okay. Y'all did a good job. Nice and sealed off.
Yeah.
Too?
A little windy in there, huh?
Yeah. Have you metered it yet? Just for curiosity?
52.
52? Okay. Awesome. And what team are y'all on?
Twisted, Team Twisted.
Team Twisted. All right. In Florida?
Yep.
Yep.
Pasco.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.